Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel where I review lots and lots of HYAPs every single day along with smart contract platforms, and I guide you through each and every steps involved. So in today's video I'll be giving you an update about this playlist of smart contract platforms. If I take you here, there are basically two smart contract platforms, Popcorn BUSD miner and this Goldgrinder V2. So today I'll be giving you an update about this Goldgrinder V2. I'll take you to my wallet of Goldgrinder. Here you can see that I deposited $1,500 and currently my balance is $2,200, and you can see here that I'm making 113 BUSD each and every single day, and it's the sixth time I have compounded for which means that I have already gone through 5 cycles, and I've like every cycle is for 24 hours, and my sixth cycle is already there, and 18 hours and 28 minutes are remaining after I get another 113 BUSD. So this is smart contract platform. This was an update video about the smart contract platform. If you don't know how to join it, I have a complete you can say a video. Here you can see that this is the video Goldgrinder version 2. This is a video that you can follow, or I'll place the link in the description which you can follow, which will guide you through each and every single step that is involved. So let me show you right here. So here you can see that Goldgrinder V2 miner, from step 1, from downloading MetaMask Chrome extension, to step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, and finally congratulations, you enjoy 9% each and every single day. So I'll place the link of this web page in the description of this video. Make sure to have a look at it, and after that you can follow these steps to make a successful registration and making 9% each day. This was a quick update video. I hope that you guys are following me, and I hope you guys are making some passive income, and that to save income with yourselves. So with that being said, if you have any questions, jot it down in the comment section. If you don't have, just like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of these important updates that I share on this channel. Plus you can join my Telegram channel as well so that you don't miss any of these tips and tricks that we share here. I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.